Namaste and welcome. So as you already know, the whole idea is from Christine's 100 layer of nail polish challenge, and you can say I'm a little bit late to the trend, but yeah, we're gonna do this. I know it's going to be covered, but still I painted my nail with a hollow nail polish in honor of Simplynailogical. So here we go. Wish me luck. So for this I have selected 25 random plates and some stamping polishes. I will do 4 stamps from each plate, so that would make it 100. Simple maths. I am only going to show you the final stamps, not the whole process, because if I do, we will be here for a really long time, and I don't think you would want to be here for a really long time. So yeah. Also, I know my nails are chapped. I just didn't bother to paint them because I knew they will be ruined by the end of this video. So yeah, that's why. So just ignore them. I will be listing all the plates that I'm using in the description bar below, so you guys can check it out if you want to. Just letting you know. You will notice that I'm using my Starry Sky stamper for some of the stamps because the clear jelly one doesn't really work with MDU stamping polishes. I mean, it does work, but it's kind of like bad, so that's why I'm using the Starry Sky one. Oh, I like how that looks. Well, let's just keep on stamping. I like this one as well. I think that's good. So this is where I crossed the 100 stamps mark, and I just kept on going because it was quite fun actually. And also I wanted to stop where it looked a little nice. In the end, I just went to the design that I liked earlier, and I think it looks good. So let's peel the cuticle mask, and I am really scared. I'm just scared this whole thing will come off. I know it's not as bulky as Christine's polish mountain, but the layer is purely made out of stamping polishes, like stamps, and they are very thin. You can see some of the very first stamps here. It's kind of weird. Let's clean this up, and yeah, I have stamping polish on my fingers. See, this is why I didn't bother to paint my nails before. I'm smart. Sure. So here is how it looks from all the angles. Then I decided to put a hollow top coat on it, which I shouldn't have. You'll see in a moment why. So it looked fine, but as the top coat was drying, some of the stamping polishes started bleeding, and now it looks like this. There is this pink stamping polish that is like bleeding. Should have waited for them to dry. So now I'm applying a simple glossy top coat, and I think it's time I stop. Yeah, I need to stop this. Okay, done. Here is the I don't know what the hell I was doing there. Okay, so here's the final look, and here's the final look of my workspace. I just did that to myself. Now I have to clean this up. Okay, I'm gonna go clean this space up now, and see you guys next week. Namaste.